Kamusta po mga kabayan? Ito po ang Patrol Abroad. Dumating na po sa Vancouver ang mga kapamilya stars ng ASAP bilang paghahanda po sa isang malaking selebrasyon para sa ika-30 anibersaryo ng ASAP sa Vancouver. Pakinggan po natin ang report ni Cecil Docto.
Please welcome the Gen Z total performer Alexa Ilacad. And joining her is new Gen superstar Belle Mariano. Come on up. Come on here.
Gina ang mga kapamilya stars sa 30th anniversary presentation ng ASAP sa Vancouver ngayong Sabado. Dalawang shows na magkaiba ang performance ang maaaring mapanood ng mga audience sa Pacific Coliseum, isang 12:30 at isang 7:30 p.m. Sa isang media conference, nagbigay ng teaser ang ilang miyembro ng ASAP family sa magaganap sa Sabado.
The 12:30 is, well, same cast, and the 7:30 same cast, but they're two entirely different shows. So I wish that all of you would watch the two shows.
Magkaiba yung repertoire. Normally, when we go out of the country, like pinaghahandaan talaga yun eh. So, the production numbers are always big. And
Yeah, they're well thought of.
yeah.
So a lot of research is being done as to what the locals would want.
Would like.
Kasi this time pala, we are celebrating our 30 years
Yes.
sa ASAP. So this is extra special. Dalawang world-class performances ang makikita nyo from start to finish, both shows. So we are encouraging everyone na sana makapanood sila ng dalawang shows kasi two totally different shows po talaga yung mapapanood nila. Maghuhubad po ako sa show 2.
Wow. So kung nasa show 1 kayo, wala. Hindi niyo
So sa show 1, sando lang. Pero sa show 2, hubad. Opo.
Siya po ang pantapat kay Enchong D.
Different production numbers that will happen in the first show to the second show. And there's even some segments where there'll be crowd interaction na wala po sa isang segment.
So hopefully you would buy both so you won't be FOMO.
We're always excited to do shows abroad for TFC because we have the best audience.
We really do.
Excited.
Gutom, uhaw.
So it's really fun all the time.
Binanggit din ni ASAP icons Martin Rivera at Ogie Alcacid kung bakit sa Vancouver nila dinala ang kanilang anniversary show.
The whole reason why we're here is because of Lapu Lapu. Just know that. Vancouver in general has gone through so much.
Yes.
Even in these Filipino functions that you've had, so many things have been happening. We'd like to make them not necessarily forget, but to be reminded about how Filipinos are so resilient, how we go through things in life.
I know that last year there was an incident here which affected a lot of last April, yeah. A lot of the Filipinos who live here, and it's a very sad thing. So we're here to give a little bit of joy.
Women empowerment naman ang magiging tema ng performance ni na power diva Angeline Quinto at pop rock royalty Yeng Constantino.
Empowerment siya para sa mga kababaihan. Gusto niyo po ba marinig? Hindi ba pwede? Sa Saturday, joke lang po. Saturday na. Meron ba kayong song and dance number? Kinda. Magpapakabini kami sa ASAP. Hintayin nyo.
Kumakanta po kami ng mga awitin na nakapagpalakas lalo ng loob ng mga kababaihan. And as you may know to si Angge, fighter to. I think in my own right din po. So excited kami sa production number na yun. Abangan nyo po.
Nagbigay din sila ng kanilang opinion sa mga nagaganap sa Pilipinas.
Nakakalungkot po, syempre, to know na ganun po ang nangyayari at pinupuntahan ng ating mga taxes. Makes you sad and angry at the same time. Syempre, we can use our platform para express ang aming genuine concern. Pero siguro po ako personally, pinagdadasal ko din po talaga. There are things na parang, Lord, baguhin mo yung puso nila. Kasi sana makita nila kung paano nahihirapan yung mga kababayan natin.
Naunang dumating ang mga ASAP hosts na sina Robbie Domingo, Darren Espanto, Bel Mariano at Alexa Ilacad upang mag-shoot ng spills. Napawaw sina Domingo, Mariano at Ilacad sa naggagandahang tanawin sa Vancouver.
Ang ganda-ganda ng Canada. Actually, yesterday nga po, we went around Stanley Park. Pero yun pa lang po napuntahan namin. Natuwa na kami. What more if we get to go around and at the same time being able to do a show here with our ASAP family. It's always a privilege for us to be able to bring the Filipino name here and to celebrate the Filipino pride, bring home to you guys. So it's always an honor for the both of us to be able to perform.
I was so excited when I found out na I would be part of this because it's my first time ever in Canada and it's been beautiful. Again, Stanley Park pa lang po napupuntahan namin pero I was blown away. It's so clean! Ang sarap huminga!
I have to say, Vancouver has the best nature parks.
Yes.
Samantala, biniro ni Prince of Pop Eric Santos si Asia's pop heartthrob Darren Espanto sa anyay, sinabi nito na pa-dinner.
So madalas din kami magbakasyon dito, pati yung mga certain foods, what else?
Actually, territory niya to. So sabi niya, lilibre niya daw kami ng isang masarap
Wow!
na dinner kasi teritoryo niya to. So kami naman, okay.
Parang hindi ko pa yun nasabi. Ayan. Pero si Kuya Eric, ano pa lang po, hindi pa ako pinapanganak nakapunta na
Grabe naman siya.
Pwede pa rin bumili ng ASAP Vancouver tickets online sa Ticket Leader at sa Pacific Coliseum box office. Mula sa Vancouver, ako si Cecil Docto, ang inyong patrol abroad.
Iyan po ang latest sa Patrol Abroad. Ako po si Henry Omaga Diaz. Hanggang sa muli.